How to verify your age on your Google account. So what you're gonna have to do is just enter your Gmail app, and once you're there, tap on the top right corner, which should lead you to your profile. In your profile, choose whichever account you're going to verify and press on manage your Google account. Once you do that, you'll be able to see your personal info. Then what you're gonna have to do at that point is just press on the birthday section. So in your birthday section, this will pop out. So you can press on correct your birthday. That way you'll be able to verify your age. So once you press on correct your birthday down here, you'll be led to a different page where you can choose how to verify your age. So either a credit card or you can use a valid ID. So in our case, we'll just go ahead and press on the ID option. Then you'll be able to see the requirements on what you're gonna need to verify yourself. So you're gonna confirm that your ID is current and valid. You can confirm your date of birth, and then it will improve their verification services for Google products and protect against fraud and abuse. But your ID won't be made public. It will be stored securely and will be deleted after your date of birth is successfully verified. Then at that point, you're just gonna go ahead and choose to either take a picture of your valid ID or to upload an already taken photo of the ID itself. Then at that point, you're just gonna have to wait for their email to you and a confirmation that your age has been verified. But that's pretty much the process on how to verify your age in your Google account. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.